and I am kind of pre-assembling the shifter. It's everything fits. We've used it a lot of times before, although I don't remember exactly where I need to position it, whether it's in these holes or these holes. So we'll have to make sure of that. But I've kind of pre-assembled all of the bracket assembly, and then the shifter, we'll just mount it on there. I've kind of got the Lokar shifter pre-fit, so I want to go ahead and put it on. The way it fits on, it goes under the back of the tail cap. Take a couple of them bolts out.
Here.
It just goes in right there.
And then it gets them.
And then in a hole here, there's a sleeve that goes in there, and there's an Allen that kind of tightens it in. So we'll go ahead and get that put on. All right, so it holds it on in the front. It's got these little inserts you just push into the transmission on both sides. And then on the shifter bracket itself, it's got these Allens. We just screw the Allens into that, and that bolts it to the back of the transmission right here. I got everything fitting on the shifter. I kind of pre-assembled it and didn't tighten it up because there's a lot of adjustment in the whole thing. So once it's on, I tightened up the set screw there. I just tightened it down to the point where I just barely see that moving. It's not holding anything, it's just keeping it from moving around. I bolted it into the back here, that's all tightened down. Shifter works, I already checked that. Now they give you a rod, but basically you just got to adjust the rod, make sure that you're in park and you're in park on your transmission. Make the rod fit and put it together and you're good. Once you get it all in, get it fitted, make sure everything's in the right place. Lokar's got a good button, holds it in place. So you got to hold the button. And there it is.